Okay, the noise. I need you to look after my pizza restaurant when I'm gone. And if any customers come, treat them with utmost respect and take their orders correctly. I'm trusting all of my restaurant's reputation into your hands. You think you can handle up the noise? Yes, Peppino. I can help. I can handle your restaurant just fine. Just you wait. Okay, I am trusting you. Okay, so I'll be leaving now. Good luck. Well, it's time to look after the pizzeria and see if anyone comes in. Hello. I'd like to order a large pizza, please. Sure. And what do you want on it? I will like extra tomatoes, extra olives, pickles, pepperonis, some cheese, and some archer carts. Coming right up. The noise is making pizza. Here you go, sir. Excuse me. I didn't ask for anchovies. Oh, my bad. Can you make it again? No! Get out of here, jerkface! What? How do you call me jerkface? That's it. I'm giving a 1-star review in this restaurant, and I'm out of here. Goodbye. Sheesh, what an a-hole. Hello, sir. How can I help you? Hi, I'd like a large Big Mac meal with fries, please. I'm sorry, this is a pizzeria, not a burger place. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought this was a burger place. I'll be going now. Yeah, you better, jerkface. Hey, that was very rude. I'm gonna get a 2-star review on this restaurant. Goodbye. Hi, welcome to Peppino's Pizzeria. How can I help you? Can I just get a large Coke, please? Okay, come right up. Boop. The noise is pouring the drink. Here you go. In your face! How dare you throw the drink at me? That I wanted you to give it to me, not throw it at my face. That's it. I'm giving you a 1-star review on Yelp. I'm out of here right now. Dang, are customers always this rude? Hi, welcome to Peppino Pizza. How can I help you? I'll take a simple plain cheese pizza, please. You got it? Come right up. Here you go. This pizza is very undercooked and kind of raw, and the dough is not baked at all. Can I get a refund, please? No refunds. But why? Because we don't want to give you your money back, you jerk. What? How dare you not give me a refund and call me a jerk? That was very rude. I'm leaving a 3-star review on your restaurant. Hi, welcome to Peppino Pizza. How may I help you? Yes, hi. I would like a what? Pizza. We're all out of pizza. How? This is a pizza place. How can we be out pizza? We just are. Now get out here, you dingus. What? How dare you call me that? That was very rude and offensive. I'm leaving a negative 3-star review on your restaurant on Yelp. Goodbye. Hey, the noise. How is running the restaurant going? Oh, it was great. I had a lot of people come by and they were very happy. That's good. So anyway, thanks for looking after my restaurant. You can go home now. Okay, cool. Man, I better check my reviews to see what this place looks like when I'm gone. Whoop. What the? 1 star? 2 stars? 3 stars? 0 stars? Negative 3 stars? What's been going on here? Wait a minute. These reviews were all done when the noise was here. I bet you the noise has something to do with this. That's it. I'm calling Pizza Face and Pizza Head right now. Boop, 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 boop. Hello. It says Pizza Face and Pizza Head. Yes. I want to let you know that the noise was misbehaving at my restaurant and he gave people a lot of bad reviews and he destroyed our restaurant, so please ground him. Thank you. Meanwhile, the noise. Get downstairs right now. Pizza Face, Pizza Head. Why do you all look so angry at me? The noise. We just got a call from Peppino. He said that you gave him a lot of bad customers and bad reviews. Is this true? Maybe. Okay, fine. I bet it is true. The noise. How dare you make Peppino get a lot of bad reviews on his restaurant because you gave his customers bad food? That's it, the noise. You are now even more grounded. For 5263713713684253794369753469312357943579331 billion trillion years. Go to your room on floor 3 right now and never ever come out. Wow.